What's up guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about a very special product, the Samsung M7 4K 32-inch monitor. We're going to show you what this monitor can actually do right after this. It's not often that we encounter a product that tries to do two things equally well, but this Samsung monitor is attempting to be both a monitor and a TV. Okay, now that this has been finished set up, let's quickly install the batteries into the remote, which by the way looks like every other Samsung TV remote that's come out in the past few years.
Please select your language. The accessibility function is available when you press and hold the volume button.
Okay, so I'm finished setting up this Samsung M7 monitor. Let's go into the details about its features. This monitor has many different features, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, wireless DeX, USB-C, HDMI connectivity, support for AirPlay 2. But it can also turn into a smart TV entertainment hub, where you can enjoy content from your favorite apps like Netflix, HBO Max, YouTube, and so much more without an external device. All while viewing on a 4K display with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. Okay, let's talk about ports. We have 3 USB Type-A ports, 2 HDMI ports, and 1 USB-C port. It also does have a VESA mount support system and 2 built-in 5.0 watt speakers, so there's no need to purchase and install a separate audio system. One of the things that caught my attention was that you could use this smart PC like a PC, but without connecting it to a PC, because it has Office 365 installed, which means that with cloud capability, you can work remotely on projects. And you can also wirelessly connect a keyboard and mouse to this monitor. And if you need some more horsepower, you can also connect the Samsung M7 monitor wirelessly to your PC, laptop, or mobile device with remote access, tap view, casting, or Apple AirPlay 2. Now I don't have a Galaxy device, or I'd show you how tap view would work. And I mentioned this earlier, but one thing that I really love is the Apple AirPlay 2 integration. Another great feature that it has for those of us who have been staring at screens all day long is that this monitor comes with adaptive picture and eye saver mode, which will automatically adjust screen brightness as well as blue light levels. If you're not impressed yet, we still have more to talk about. As I mentioned earlier, this is a complete entertainment hub where you can enjoy smart TV content without an external device. We also have voice control using Samsung Bixby, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, and it has Samsung SmartThings integration for a more accessible experience. Now, this screen only has a 60 Hz refresh rate, so I would not say that it is optimal for intense gaming, but it is definitely great for occasional gaming. The retail price of this monitor is $400, but as of the recording of this video, it is on sale for $329.99 on Amazon. Now, a review would not be complete without looking at the downsides, and the Samsung Smart Monitor unfortunately has a few. Its brightness is only 250 nits. It also doesn't have any legacy connections such as component connections or composite connections, so this monitor may not be for you if you have a legacy console such as a Wii or PS3. Another issue is that this monitor is not easily adjustable since it comes with a fixed base, so you may need to purchase a separate VESA compatible mount to adjust the height. Would I recommend it? Yes, it's stylish and looks good on any desk. It contains a Tizen software with its great entertainment options. It also has a lot of wireless connectivity options such as remote access and AirPlay 2. And as a cherry on top, you can use Microsoft Office without any computer connected. This makes it a great option for college students or anyone who doesn't have a lot of space. But I would definitely say, if you've got the space, and you've got the money, I would definitely recommend buying a separate TV like the Q50R and a separate PC monitor like one of the Dell monitors, because this is definitely a case of jack of all trades and master of none. If you like this video and want to keep up with the latest reviews, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And until the next time, this is JC Tech and Finance signing out.